Going up, Beale Falls. I think we're in Coloma, maybe Auburn. We on the hike, y'all. Can you see the background?
Yeah.
I do think I'm gonna get wet on this one. On purpose. Yes, we out here at Beale Falls, food, places, and places. I'm gonna take a step from mankind. Oh shit! Oh shit!
You need water shoes.
Yeah, I know. I need a GoPro. Look at the places I go for you, food, places, and places. The places I would go for you. It's a long way down. I'm on the edge too. We in the bluffs. We up here. Long way up. There's a Larry. But look what I get to see. Beautiful. Cut. Places and Paces, my new page that I launched last week on Facebook. It's just a glimpse into some of the hikes that I take on the West Coast, through mountains, through our national forest, or along the beaches. I'll show you pictures and videos of some of those. I try to put it together in a 2 or 3 minute videos for you, so you can see the hikes, some of the terrain, some of the people I interact with afterwards. The conversations can get a little crazy, but they're fun, and also some of the restaurants that I grub at afterwards. It's not as healthy as some of this food that's here. That's just for show, but I do go to places that I like to eat, barbecue joints and stuff like that, get a good burger after a hike. But either way, I'll share it with you. Even if I cook something on my own, I'll share that with you. But subscribe to my page below. If you're an outdoorsy person, share it with somebody you know. If they like that kind of thing, please share it, and I'll keep bringing the content to you. Thank you so much for following. Peace.